Hello student, today we will learn vowel sound of U. Which letter is this? Yes, this is letter U. And its sound will be A. Its sound will be A. Now we will use U with a consonant and see how does it pronounce. Let's start. First is U T. Now it will become ut. UT ut. Now next is U N. Now it will become un. Okay. Now next is U D. Now it will become ug. Ug. Now we will use T with the vowel U. Okay. Now it will become ut. Ut. Sorry. Now next is U P. Up. 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 Repeat after me. UT. 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 UN. Un. UZ. Ug. UP. Up. Ut. Un. Ug. Up. Ut. Un. Ug. Up. Now let's use U between two consonants and see how does it pronounce. Okay. Yes, you are going to learn the short vowel U sound words. What you are going to learn? Yes, the short vowel U sound words. Now let's start. At first, I am writing here H in the beginning of U T. Ut. Now it will become HUT. 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 Now next is N U T. NUT. 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 Next is C U T. Now it will become cut. Repeat after me. Hut, nut, cut. HUT hut, NUT nut, CUT cut. Okay, now next is we will use S in the beginning of un. Okay, UN. Now it will become SUN, sun. SUN, sun. Now we use B in the beginning of UN. Now it will become bun. BUN, bun. Now next is RUN. Now it will become run. RUN, run. Sun, bun, run. Repeat it. SUN, sun. BUN, bun. RUN, run. Now next is MUZ, ug. UZ. Now it will become mug. M-U-Z, mug. M-U-Z, mug. Now we will use J in the beginning of U-G. Now it will become jug. J-U-G, jug. Now next is H-U-G. Now tell me. H-U-G. Yes. Now it will become hug. H-U-G, hug. Now next is C-U-P, up. U-P. Now it will become C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. U-P. It will become up. Okay, up. Now next is P-U-P. Now it will become P-U-P, pup. So students, repeat after me. U-T, ut. U-N, un. U-Z, up. U-P, up. Repeat again. Ut, un, up, up. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. C-U-T, cut. Hut, nut, cut. S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, bun. R-U-N, run. Sun, bun, run. Now next. M-U-G, mug. J-U-G, jug. H-U-G, hug. Mug, jug, hug. Now come to next line. C-U-P, cup. U-P, up. P-U-P, pub. Cup, up, pub. So student, you have to practice in proper way at your home. Okay, bye.